factorize the following equations: 6x squared plus 13x minus 8, and then the second part is a hence part. Hence factorize 6y plus 1 squared plus 13y plus 1 minus 8. So very quickly, notice that the x in the second part has been replaced with y plus 1. X, instead of writing x, write y plus 1. Alright, so how do we do part 1? We can use the cross method to factorize. 6x squared over here minus 8 plus 13x. So what times what gives you 6x squared? We can have 3x and 2x, right? That's one possible option. What times what gives you a negative 8? You can have positive 8 here, negative 1, right? I can play around, I can put 4, negative 2 and so on, and see whether you get a winning combination. So how do we check whether it's a winning combination? Cross multiply this. 2x times 8 is a positive 16x. 3x times negative 1 is a negative 3x. So the winning combination, when you add these two numbers up, you have to get this positive 13x here, which indeed in this case 16 plus negative 3 is positive 13x. Alright, so this is a winning combination. Of course, you may need to try out a few times, like maybe with negative 1 here, positive 8 here, and see if you're able to get that combination. Okay, so the factorized form, 6x squared plus 13x minus 8 will be equals to 3x plus 8, 2x minus 1. Final answer for part 1. Now for part 2, again, notice that x has been replaced with y plus 1. So same thing, 6y plus 1 squared plus 13y plus 1 minus 8. Since they said hence, all we need to do is to do a replacement. So instead of writing x, we write y plus 1. Instead of writing x, we write y plus 1. So same thing in our factorized answer. Instead of writing x, we write y plus 1. Plus 8, 2, y plus 1 minus 1. So if you notice, all the x's has been replaced with y plus 1. The other terms all remain the same. X replaced with y plus 1. Alright, so the final answer, you just need to simplify a little bit more. So 3y plus 3 plus 8, 2y plus 2 minus 1. So this will become 3y plus 11, 2y plus 1, which is our final answer for part 2.